her mouth. Sinala niya yung mouth niya, tapos parang gumano na yung ulo niya. Pagkita namin yung monitor na nag-flat na. So, pero natapos namin yun. And it was very peaceful. Yeah, she got her wish for, she had a prayer.
You continue to fix. Okay.
When she was in pain, kulang pa yung mga gamot na pampatulog. Na parang talagang sakit. I had the feeling.
Yan na.
Meron ba siyang mga pinilin? Ano huling-huling sinabi niya sa'yo, you being the eldest? Wala, hindi siya mag-pinilin. It's a aming family who wants to see it. Parang your mama?
My mama is here.
Mama, come
After her surgery.
Mama, show. Oh, baka ka!
Kinasamahan ko siya pag naliligo siya.
Why?
And then after, ayaw yung naman niya ng papatulong eh. Except after pagkatapos susulungan.
I guess ako, baby. Good night, then.
Pagka
Ikaw mag-boy.
sabi ko, mama, gusto ka na lang ako ng
Kaya na.
I'd like Thank you very much. Talagang iyata ko. In the beginning, I said, wow. Kaya lang yan, I'm sure.
Say sorry ka.
Kiss, mami.
Kaya ko ba?
Kiss, mami.
Conserve your energy para tumitadong inihingal.
Kiss sa mami, pe. Kiss sa mami. Kiss, mami. No. Kiss, mami. No. Kita.
Rosie has to sink in.
Kiss, mami.
Kiss, mami. Wala nung break ako na paano na kaya ako. Kasi she's, as we told you before,
Baby?
Dad was so
Ugly.
busy ang mom had to take long. I'm sure mom is namin. Pero inisip ko, 2 days after we found out she was sick, I think I wanted to do so many things.
Lie down.
Tapos sabi ko, hindi ko na alam ko.
Kiss.
Sabi naman na, hindi ko nila. Ito naman yung meron din sa comment, meron yung response na tatawan kami, sorry, the question is so sad for you. Pero, what's the most important, significant thing that you will always remember about your mom? I think it was your selflessness. I remember noon, nung maliit kami, kasi hindi mo realize that you see others na very selfless person. I guess you know that
How ugly.
I can see
Baby, lie down. Lie down. Or I will turn off the light. Lie down. Oh man. My name
Nga makakasabayan sa pag-arte, isa sa pinakamagaling na aktor ngayon na si John Martu, nagaganap naman sa papel na Noel, ang boyfriend ng kanyang anak.
Bali si Noel, alaga, kaso, may history na ng pagpasok sa third sex. Pero, nabago ang lahat ng yun, makilala niya si Mark.
Hindi rin matatawaran ang kinang ng mga iba pang artista na mga kasama niya. Kabilang na dito si Pierce Sugar bilang ex-husband ni Shirley, si Dimple Samana bilang Dan Salvacion, panganay na anak ni Shirley, Rafael Rosel bilang si Vince, straight guy na kaibigan nila Mark at Noel, Mickey Valdez bilang Mia na asawa ni Vince, Vice Ganda at Hillary, ang Frances Height na kaibigan din ni Mark at Noel, at Paul Diaz bilang Sherry Salvacion, anak ni Shirley. Kwento at mga okasyon, hanggang mga pinipili at handle sa lahat. Karapat-dapat ang pelikulang ito. Kasamta ng isa sa magaling na actress ng ating
Ah!